Person ay naku, di ko alam 'to, Kuya Robert. Sandali lang yung lovers mo. Ay naku. Every day my papa worked to help to make ends meet, to see that he would eat, keeps two shoes upon my feet. Every night my papa would take and tuck me in my bed, kiss me on my head after all my prayers were said. Growing up with it was so easy, time just flown by. The years began to play, the eggs and so I did. I could tell that mama wasn't well, Papa knew and deep down so did she. She died, Papa broke and cried. All he said was God wanna take me. Every night he sat there to sleep in a rocking chair. He never went upstairs, all because you wasn't there. Then one day my papa said, son, I'm proud the way you're grown. Make it on your own. Oh, I'll be okay alone. Happy Father's Day! Every time, ayaw bot. Saka na lang. Kaya kuya, para akong sirang plaka din. Ay, naku. Ay, lovers mo na lang. Ayan, lovers mo ni Kuya Rico. Ay, naku, dumadami pa kayo dyan. Oh, 12 million in the house. Ayan. Ay, baka naka-live na si Wilson, ha? Sabihin mo lang. Ayan, nag-extend naman tuloy tayo. Ayan. Lovers Moon by Kuya Rico. Ayan, thank you sa inyong mga pagtambay dyan. Ayan. Ay, still, Inday Vlogs. Andito pa rin ako sa bahay mo. Inday. Pinagpapawisan ako dun sa, Papa. Pakikinggan ko nga yan mamaya kasi kakantahin ko sa church. Pero wala akong nagis ng Papa. May nagis akong father, stepfather. Hello, shout out Trinidas. Ayan, Trinidas, shout out. Wala akong nadat ng Papa. Kaya, makikipapa na lang ako. Ate Luz, ano nangyari? Ayan, may gano'n shout out, Ate Luz. Ayan. Uy, mag-end na tayo, ha? Pagkatapos ng lovers mo. Lovers mo ni Kuya Lepop. Mama Luz. Oy, shout out. Maraming salamat sa tamsak na isa na lang para maging 50,000. Hello, shout out Leonidas. Ayan, bigyan natin ng jacket ni Leonidas. Ayan. Ate Malin. Ayan, si Mama Malin. Napakinikitan nyo, guys. Oh. Ayan, dikitan nyo si Mama ko from Barangay. Jersey love, first move.